Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak English with Alex. I'm so happy you are here today.
And hi everyone, I'm Emma. And today we are going to talk about 3 small words that cause big confusion.
What words are those, Emma?
Could, would, should.
Ah, yes. These 3 words are very common in English, but many learners mix them up.
Today we are going to fix that. We will use real stories, real conversations, so you never forget.
By the end of this episode, you will know exactly when to use could, would, and should.
Let's start with a story. Alex, tell us about your train disaster.
Oh no, that story.
Yes, the train story is perfect for could.
Okay, so last year I was visiting my friend in another city. I needed to take a train.
What happened?
I arrived at the train station, but there was a problem. The train was delayed, and I did not know how to find the right platform.
That is stressful.
I looked around. There was no information in English, only the local language.
So what did you do?
I saw an older woman who worked at the station. I walked up to her. I said, "Excuse me, could you help me, please?"
That is perfect. Could you help me is a very polite way to ask.
She smiled and pointed to the right platform. I caught my train.
So in that story, could was used for a polite request.
Yes, could you is more polite than can you. What other ways can we use could?
Could also talks about past ability, something you were able to do before.
Give me an example. When I was a child, I could run very fast. Now, I cannot.
Same here.
Could is the past of can. I can swim now. I could swim when I was 5.
Let's practice.
Could you help me, please? Polite request.
When I was younger, I could speak a little Spanish. Past ability.
I could not find the train platform. Past inability.
Great! Now let's move to would. Alex, let me tell you a story about would.
Please do.
Last winter, I was at a coffee shop. It was very cold outside. I sat down with my coffee. My hands were freezing.
I know that feeling.
My hands were red. A woman sitting next to me saw my red hands. She leaned over and said, "Would you like to borrow my gloves? I have an extra pair."
That was so kind.
It was, and her question used would perfectly.
Would you like to is a very polite way to offer something.
What are other uses of would?
Would is also used for hypothetical situations, imaginary situations.
Like what?
If I won the lottery, I would travel around the world.
I would do the same.
Would is also the past of will. For example, yesterday I said I would call you.
So would can be polite offers, imaginary situations, and past of will.
Exactly. Let's practice. Would you like some coffee? Polite offer.
If I had more time, I would learn guitar. Hypothetical.
She said she would arrive at 7 p.m. Past of will.
Perfect. Now the most important one, should. Alex, tell us about your should story.
Oh no, this one is embarrassing, but okay.
What happened?
Last month, I ate a very big meal. Too big. It was a burger with fries and a milkshake.
That sounds delicious.
It was, but after, my stomach hurt so much.
Oh no.
My friend looked at me and said, "You should not eat so much next time."
That is advice. Should is for giving advice.
Yes, should means it is a good idea. Should not means it is a bad idea.
Can you give more examples?
You should drink more water. You should not stay up too late. She should study for the test.
Should is also used for expectations, like the train should arrive at 8 a.m.
Yes, that means we expect it to happen, but we are not 100% sure.
Let's practice should.
You should drink more water. Advice.
You should not eat so much sugar. Negative advice.
The package should arrive tomorrow. Expectation.
Now you know the 3 words.
Let's compare them side by side so you never confuse them again.
Could is about ability or possibility.
I could run fast when I was young. Past ability. Could you open the window? Polite request.
Would is about willingness or hypothetical situations.
Would you like some tea? Polite offer. If I had $1 million, I would buy a house. Imaginary.
Should is for advice or expectation.
You should exercise more. Advice. The bus should be here soon. Expectation.
What about negative forms?
Could not equals couldn't. Would not equals wouldn't. Should not equals shouldn't.
Let's practice choosing the right word.
I have a headache. What should I do?
You should do, because you're asking for advice.
Could you help me move this table? It is heavy.
Could you help me? Polite request.
If I had more free time, I would learn piano.
I would learn piano. Hypothetical.
You are getting it.
Now, let's put everything together in a real conversation.
I will be person A. Emma will be person B. Listen to how we use could, would, and should.
Conversation 1. At a restaurant.
Excuse me, could I have more water, please?
Of course. Would you like ice in it?
Yes, please. Also, I think my soup is cold. Should I send it back?
You should. Cold soup is not good.
Thank you. I will.
Conversation 2. Planning a trip.
I'm thinking about visiting Italy next summer.
Oh, you should go. Italy is beautiful.
If I had more money, I would stay for a whole month.
Could you find a cheaper flight?
Maybe. I will look online.
Conversation 3. Giving advice to a friend.
I'm so tired lately. I cannot sleep well.
You should stop looking at your phone before bed.
I know, but it's hard.
Could you try reading a book instead?
I could try. That's a good idea.
If you read for 20 minutes, you would fall asleep faster.
You're right. I will try tonight.
Great! Conversations. Now you try.
I will say a sentence with a blank. You say the correct word. Could, would, or should.
Number 1. I am thirsty. Blank, I have some water, please.
Could. Could I have some water? Polite request.
Number 2. You look tired. You, blank, get some rest.
Should. You should get some rest. Advice.
Number 3. If I won the lottery, I, blank, travel the world.
Would. I would travel the world. Hypothetical.
Number 4. When I was a child, I, blank, climbed trees easily.
Could. I could climb trees. Past ability.
Number 5. You should not eat so much junk food. It is not healthy.
Should. You should not eat so much junk food. Negative advice.
Perfect. You are mastering could, would, and should.
Let me tell you about common mistakes with these words.
Mistake number 1.
Using would instead of should for advice.
Wrong. You would drink more water. Correct. You should drink more water.
Mistake number 2. Using could for past of will.
Wrong. I said I could call you. Correct. I said I would call you.
Mistake number 3. Forgetting that could is the past of can.
Wrong. I can run fast when I was young. Correct. I could run fast when I was young.
Mistake number 4. Using should for polite requests.
Wrong. Should you help me? Correct. Could you help me?
Remember these mistakes. They are very common, but now you know better.
Let's make a quick reference chart.
Could equals past ability plus polite requests.
I could swim when I was 5. Could you help me?
Would equals polite offers, hypothetical situations, plus past of will.
Would you like some tea? If I were rich, I would travel. He said he would come.
Should equals advice plus expectations.
You should exercise. The train should arrive soon.
Write this chart down. Keep it somewhere you can see. Let's review the key vocabulary from today.
Number 1. Polite request. Asking for something in a kind, respectful way.
Number 2. Past ability. Something you were able to do before.
Number 3. Hypothetical. Imaginary, not real.
Number 4. Polite offer. Asking if someone wants something.
Number 5. Advice. A recommendation about what to do.
Number 6. Expectation. Something you think will happen.
Try to use these words today.
Now you make sentences. Say them out loud.
Make a sentence with could for a polite request.
Good. Now make a sentence with would for a hypothetical situation. Start with if I.
Great. Now make a sentence with should for advice.
You just made your own sentences. That's how you learn. Thank you so much for practicing with us today.
Could is for ability and polite requests. Would is for offers and imaginary situations. Should is for advice and expectations.
Remember these 3 words. Practice them every day.
You can learn them, you will learn them, and you should practice them.
I see what you did there.
Could you tell?
If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel.
And share this video with a friend who mixes up could, would, and should.
Now, write in the comments, make 1 sentence using could, 1 using would, and 1 using should.
For example, I could run fast as a child. I would travel the world if I had money. You should eat healthy food.
We read every comment.
Thank you, Alex, and thank you, everyone.
See you in the next episode. Keep practicing. Your English is getting better every single day. Bye, everyone.
Bye.